As we look into the Crush It company in a more original way, this will give us a better understanding of the company, and in regards to the total revenue, the net profit, the NPS score, the staff advocate score, and the relative market share. As we look at these regions, as the Canada, Northern, Middle, and Southern state, we can all say that each region has some good and bad things that we can say about them. And they also have some, or we can say that each region has some good things, just needs some work done to the company for them to revamp. So we can start with the revenue per employee by region. So with Canada, it was 12.6%, Northern 8.4%, Middle state 90.4%, Southern states is 8.5%. Canada is really in good standing. It's good at keeping full-time employees who are working hard and making sure they're keeping the revenue who they are, making the company who they are, and making the revenue. As far as the northern states and the southern states, they really didn't do so good. I mean, they did do good because they're 8.4 and 8.5. As far as the middle state, the revenue per employee decreased tremendously by a lot of percent, because the ending score was a negative 90.4. So that kind of tells you about the employee turnover rate within that region. And we want to be sure that all regions are doing what they are doing, what they are doing. So that's a good thing. As far as the net profit, Canada was negative 12.3. Northern state was negative 54.6. Middle state was 54.1. Southern states was a negative 11.57. This basically means that all the regions suffer from a net loss. This means that the northern states and the middle states, they were probably didn't earn as much money to pay off their overhead costs or income taxes. That means that the regions were spending more money than they actually had. Even though Canada and southern states had a negative score, but it does mean that since their score was so low, that it can be fixable, it can be retainable. They just need to go back in and revamp some things, and their score can be improved by the next year. As far as the NPS score, Canada was a negative 200. Northern states was 100%. Middle state was 2,000%, and the southern state was 0%. In the net pay score of the middle state, it shows that the business are promoting their employees are promoting their business. As far as the northern states and the southern states, they are promoting their business. The employees are happy with the products and services. Customers are happy with the products and services. So that's a good thing as well. The staff advocate score, Canada was a negative 500. And middle state was a negative 222,000, which those two regions are not likely for the employees to,